So my friend, this is Amit as phase 2 is done now. So here I am with the updated cutoff after phase 2, that is for phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5 per student. So hope you get my point clearly. So the important thing is that in phase 3 some of the seats will not be available. Most of the seat will be available. Whatever will be available, I am going to provide the cutoff for all campus category 1 to 5. One myth many students are saying that in phase 3 only category 3 I can get, category 1 2 how I will get because I am in phase 3. Bro, phase is about the timing of counseling and category is about the fee of counseling. There is no relation between these two things. So hope you get my point. Let's get started with the VIT AP. For your information, whatever a student we register with my guidance, they all have got the seat on a screen. Also you can take some of the screenshot. I can't put all the screenshot, otherwise video will be long, but some screenshot I have put for your reference. And in between the video also you can check, lots of people have got my guidance by paying lots of money. So if you are interested, you can pay. Initially you can pay 499 only and get my one doubt session in which you can ask all everything, all possibility and all the process. Later if you want complete guidance, if you will satisfied with my guidance, then you can pay the remaining and get the complete guidance. Hope you get my point. VIT AP category 1 will be available up to 47,000, but do the counseling carefully. If you do mistake, you will not get in phase 2 also, in phase 1 also. Many students did the mistake, and once you do mistake in VIT, you will not get the seat and neither you will get the benefit because you have only one phase to do, and this phase is for, that is phase 3 is for 45 to 70,000 a student. Phase 4 is for 70 to 1 lakh a student. For student up to 45,000, counseling is done, so they can't upgrade their seat or change their seat. Whatever you will get, that will be the final. So hope you get my point. Category 2 up to 80,000, category 3 1.5 lakh, category 4 you can get up to last rank also, and for 5. CSC specialization 80,000, 1.5 lakh, 2.2, and any, that is category 1, 2, 3. EC 1 lakh, 2.3 lakh, category 1 and 2. Other branch you can get category 1 at 1.6 lakh also in AP. Now talk about Chennai cutoff. CSE will be available up to 52,000. Category 5 only will be available. Whatever seat will be not taken in category 2, 3, 4, those seat will be converted to category 5 because they want more money that is available through category 5. Also 50% seats are available in category 5 to generate more money. So up to 52,000, even 54, 53 if you have, then also you can get. And if you want direct admission, in that also I can help you. Once you register with my guidance, I will help you directly from the college. I will share your detailed 10, 12 mark sheet and your scorecard, and then they will confirm the fee. If you will agree, then they will generate the provisional admission letter, and then you need to make the payment. If before payment you want to reach the college and verify everything, then all that is also possible. Means you need to pay after joining the college, but you after for contacting me and getting my guidance, you have to pay my guidance fee 3,000 before. Then only I will go for your counseling services, means admission services. I will help you, just I will not charge anything extra. Just you need to pay into the college, but my timing charge is 1,000. Hope you get my point. CSC specialization 48, 65, 80,000. That is category 2, 3, 4. Also in that case, you can pay 499 first and know all the possibility payment, how much you need to pay for direct admission, and then if you satisfied, you can pay the remaining amount. Electronics and computer or ECE or electrical and computer, whatever branch you are looking that is EC related, up to 48,000 you can get the category 2, category 3 60,000, category 4 70,000, category 5 85,000. Other you can get up to 50 80,000 also, that is category 1 2. And VIT Bhopal, if you talk CSC 60,000, 1.3 lakh, category 2, category 3 4 5 up to 1.5 lakh, because above 1.5 lakh they will not allow you in Bhopal. CSC specialization 1 2 available, 1.4 lakh, 1.5 lakh. EC 1.4 lakh, other also 1.4 lakh. So better counseling will give you best out of your rank. That's why I'm providing the guidance and I'm providing you the information. If you are interested, you can contact me. But try to do with the help of any expert. If you don't like me, you can register with other counselor also, but try to do with the expert only. Vellore campus, that is main campus. Main campus CSE specialization, only lower specialization will be available like block, that is bioinformatics, IT, CSBS. These branches will be available up to 52,000, category 5 only. And CSE core and CSE upper specialization like AIML data science or AI data science will be not available through direct counseling. Only with management quota is available, that I will guide you. If you want, for that also you can contact me, but only after registration with my guidance, that is the nominal charge you have to pay. Then I will guide you to get the direct admission from college, and you will have to pay everything after getting the seat. Now EC Category 4 up to 48,000, 565,000. Triple E 60, 80, 1 lakh, that is category 2, 3, 4. Civil 48, 70, 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3. Mechanical 65, 85, 1 lakh, 2, 3, 4, that is category. Lower 53, 80, 1 lakh. So counseling is very, very unique. You need to do only one phase. Once you do mistake, you will be out of counseling process. So that's why it is important to do it carefully. That's why we have to guide you. This was about the updated cutoff after phase 2. Similar, I will try to provide you more information also. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you.